Saffron by Pooja Seal. I'm Pooja, and as my series of Indian cooking during the festival season is going on, today I bring you another dish which is very popular, and it's made of lamb or goat meat. It's called mutton korma. So this dish is actually in every part of India. They have different recipes. This is my version of the mutton korma. It's very rich and very flavorful. So let's go and start with the recipe. Now to start with, I'm using goat meat. You can use lamb too, same process. So I have used about half a cup of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and about half a teaspoonful of red chili powder or Kashmiri red chili powder, whichever suits you. So I've mixed all of them and marinated the mutton pieces for about 30 minutes. And so now let's go and show you how to cook it. To cook the mutton, first we are heating oil, and then about 3 tablespoons oil we are adding 2 bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, and 1 star anise, and about 4 to 5 green cardamoms. Now about a quarter teaspoon of black cumin seeds and few cinnamon sticks, 1 flower of mace, and few black peppers. Then we are going to add a few cloves too. Then we are going to give it a stir. When it's heated through, then we are adding about 1.5 cup of chopped onions. So this is 1 cup. Then we are going to add half a cup more. Now once the onion has softened, then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to add the spice mixture. This is about 2 teaspoonful of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use paprika too. So we are going to cook all of them together. Now we are going to add half a cup of beaten yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is room temperature, otherwise it might curdle when you put it in the heat. So we are going to mix and cook it through. When the oil starts separating out, like at this point, now you can see it. So we are going to add the marinated mutton or the lamb or any kind of meat that you prefer. We're going to stir and cook for a few minutes. So we have mixed everything together, and we'll cook it more till the rawness of the meat is gone. So here the rawness is gone, so we are adding a little salt as per your taste. Now at this stage, when the rawness is totally gone and everything is mixed up, we are going to cover it with a lid and cook it for about 1.5 to 2 hours till the meat becomes tender. You can put it in pressure cooker or in slow cooker or in hot pot, anything you desire, like any cooking method you prefer. So the meat is cooked. Now in this we are adding about half a cup of almond powder and half a cup of fried onions. We are going to make a paste of these two together. So I have already made the paste, you can see. Now we are going to add this to the meat mixture. This will add more richness to the gravy and it will thicken it up too. They will cook it for a few minutes. So this is already thickened up. So now we have taken about 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds and 4 to 5 green cardamoms, dry roasted it, and then we have grind them together. So this gives a beautiful aroma to the mutton curry. And lastly, we are going to add kewra water. This you can find in any Indian store. This is about 1 teaspoon, so I have added 1 teaspoon. That's good enough, and it'll give again a very good aroma and flavor to the mutton curry. So we are done. So I'm done with the mutton korma, and you can see how rich it looks. So we are going to plate it now. Starting with the plating. So I have the mutton korma here. I'll decorate it with some julienne ginger and some slit green chilies, just to add the color. And if you want, you can have it with 1 spoon of mutton korma. So that's it. So here you go. Your mutton korma is ready. It's rich and yummy, and you can serve it with just with a bowl of plain rice, or with the yellow basmati pulao that I think it's in my channel. So if you want to, that goes best with this one. So if you want to find the basmati pulao or the yellow rice recipe, please check out my channel. And also you can have it with naan or the baslama bread that I showed in my channel. So check it out and enjoy, and please keep cooking, and see you next week. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and check out the description box below for all the ingredients, and if you need any substitutes, it's all mentioned there. And see you next week then. See you. Bye.